Hello to all the traders in Oriental Pacific Futures based in Kuala Lumpur of Malaysia. Well, this is Nawang here, and one of your favorite market opinion leaders. Welcome back to the weekly videocast of the OPF, and we shall show you on the outlook on where the CPO will be going for this coming week. Alright, this week the outlook coverage will move on from the 10th of November up to 14th of November in the year 2014. And this is also the final rollover week of the November month before the active month will move on to February in next week. All right, and the first month will start off moving into December after this Friday. All right, January contract on last Friday closed in the price of 2195, and that was actually 2,195 ringgit per ton. All right, on the day chart, we actually see a market turning down, and most likely from the daily chart, we are looking at a strong resistance in the top side ultimate at 2350, which is pretty high. All right, but moving a little bit lower on the 50% of this range of last week, we are looking at strong resistance to be coming up in the region of 2270. 2270. All right, moving into the weekly chart again. All right, weekly chart has showed us a turn down sign. Okay, and market is pretty bearish on a very strong engulf pattern on last Friday. And this week, most likely, we are looking for a continual down move of the FCPO on the weekly chart. All right, 50% of last week. All right, that confirms resistance should be on the top side 2240 to 2250. If market were to move down further, we are looking at 2,100 ringgit per ton as our first support, which the weekly chart may continue to come down and form another black candle. Alright, so that's on the weekly chart. Very quickly, let's take a look at the 60-minute chart and how the market performed as of last Friday. Well, on the 60-minute chart, oh yes, we are looking at a small support that may be rising. Okay, in this current region of 2190. All right, because it is supported by the EMA 200 averaging line. So to summarize everything that we are expecting for this week, the move. All right, in the early part of the week, we're expecting some pull up. All right, downside about 2180. Up to the top side perhaps at 2250, okay, 2240 to 2250, which is about 50% of last week, or it may even go up to 2260. But moving towards the end of this week, we are still expecting the market to fall. All right, on the downside, we are expecting 2,100 ringgit per ton to be the ultimate support for this week. So on the overall, trend is prone to bearish sentiment. All right, on the weekly chart again, and everything should be coming down a little bit based on the liquidation of profit taking. All right, so this is the weekly video class of Oriental Pacific Futures based in Malaysia, and this is Nawang here, one of your favorite market opinion leaders in Bursa Marketplace. Thank you for staying with us, and do come back on next week when we can give you a more outlook and the forecast of the FCPO trading in Bursa Malaysia after we move the active month into the February contract. Thank you very much, and I shall speak to you again. Bye bye.